guys, Brian Stevens here with Mortgage Shots in the National Real Estate Post, an actual loan officer who's in the business in the trenches with you. I want you guys to understand this. If U.S. income spiked 69%, we would return to pre-pandemic affordability. If U.S. home prices fell by 41%, then we would return to pre-pandemic affordability. Now, here's kind of the big one. If mortgage rates fell by an astounding 4.3%, then we would return to pre-pandemic affordability. So if rates drop from the mid-sixes by 4.3%, then we'd be once again back in the twos, and that's not going to happen. But more importantly, we have to understand this. None of this is going to happen overnight. The truth is, we have to get used to the market that we're in, and we have to find a way to succeed. Now, you have to surround yourself with recession-proof people. The alternative is simple. Those who find excuses, and they are everywhere, will bring you down. You will not build them up, they will bring you down. It's astounding how many people are committed to their failure. Now, the flip side is this. If you seek out successful people, you're going to find them. In fact, they're easy to find. Key signs of successful people are, and this is just my estimation and my experience, they pick up their phone, they can always find time, they listen to and respond to logic. It's that simple. I've been calling realtors for the past few months now with a select group of loan officers. Somewhere in that equation, I decided that I was going to call only on recession-proof real estate agents. That means they have to have 10 listings and at least a few buy-side deals per month. When I did that, I hit pay dirt. I couldn't believe how many realtors actually picked up their phones. I thought they'd have to be too busy with their business, yet they consistently find ways. In fact, if they don't pick up their phones, I'm always promptly called back. How can that be? Because when I call on a slow agent, they seemingly never pick up their phone, and if by some off chance they do, they are always busy with something. Why is that? Now, when I propose my value proposition to the recession-proof agent, nearly always they say yes. When I call on that slow agent, they always have something pressing that needs to get done and they don't have time to talk. Now, this has become so effective that I actually have called on behalf of other loan officers in other states and I get the same result. Now, you'd think if what I was saying is true, then everybody would make the same type of decisions. At least that's what I would thought. But the truth be told, so many in this industry are excited about things that don't bring them deals. They're committed to distractions. So I say this, and listen up, commit to your business, actively acknowledge distractions, and discard them. It's not bad to have distractions, it's just bad to keep them. Seek out referral partners that have the same passion for success that you do in your market, and do it because they're easy to find. They're hiding in plain sight and they pick up their phone. Find them, work your butt off to do the best possible job that you can, and then realize every market is a great market if you choose it. Now, the market is your choice because people are still buying and selling homes. Now, of course, you're asking, what is that value proposition that you have, Brian? And I'll tell you, but you have to make the first move. Fill out the form down below and I'll call you back personally. Hope this helps.